Why are you manhandling him now? Why are you manhandling him now? Why are you not manhandling him now?
You don't man.
All we need to do is confirm your name is the
I'm
same one.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Why are you stopping him? Why are you stopping him? Why are you stopping him?
You're not letting me answer the question.
Then you fucking dare. You touch my old man, we're gonna hit problems.
Getting yourself locked up as well for
on,
obstructing a police officer. You don't step back.
You put your hands on him.
Stay back. Calm yourself.
He's got heart problems. He's got heart problems.
Fucking
Fucking heart problems, you divvy. Get off him now. Get off him now.
Watch me,
Get
Aaron.
off him now.
The only thing we're looking to do.
Listen.
Why are you going to do this? Let's speak to him first.
All we need to do is confirm his name is on insurance, and we're done.
really
That's
simple.
it.
Of course he's got. Okay, get your fucking checks done. His name's Gordon Fraser. No, see the way the man handling you out there.
It's a
2-minute job, mate. It's a 2-minute
Get your fucking checks done. He's gone there to the House of Cards register too.
Well, let me check it then.
Go sit
God,
down.
guys.
Sit down. Dog, go. You first. You first.
No, listen.
Fucking divvies. Listen.
Whoa. No.
Off with the door. They're getting in. They're not coming in. They're not coming in. Let him check the details. You've got to let him check, and then they can fuck off and do their own business. You have got to let him check. Go get your license and stuff like that. No, you escalated it when you fucking put hands on the old man. Tell you, get to the right commuter path. Get the fucking front door. I'll leave it open. I'll come with you. Fucking shit, mate. Stinking cunts.
You let me speak. You've not let me speak.
Listen, I seen your man handling my dad. That's what I seen, right?
Can you let me speak?
No, because you're dealing with him.
Listen,
You're
all
dealing with
that's
him.
happened
You're
since I've
assaulting
stopped,
an old
you've been
man.
shouting at me, and he has been shouting.
Tell you been shouting.
You're not letting me explain what's happening.
Tell you you're standing here with all this equipment on you, all your weapons, and you're fucking grabbing a 70-year-old pensioner in the street. Speak to him, get your details checked, and then move on. Get on with your day. No, you wasn't. You was manhandling him. I've got it on camera. It's alright. It's live stream to Facebook.
Throwing the keys.
Because why are you pulling him over? Because the car's registered to the name Gordon Fraser. You're on it, you're Davies. Just get it done. I know, it's alright.
All we need to do is confirm that you are the person.
Can I please explain?
Don't explain that to me, man. I've got it on camera. You're assaulting my father. No, you've got their badge numbers, that's all you need. You can identify them through that. You can identify them by that. They can tell you their last name if they want to. Of course he is, I'm the second driver on the policy. I've dealt with you, with that fucking vehicle. Nah, he caged me, it's harassment. But we can personally go this guy, because I've got you on 3 of my Facebook videos now. But why were you detaining him? Why were you detaining him, man? Why were you detaining him? But why were you detaining him? You were not under arrest. You weren't suspected of any crime or illegal activity. You had no right to put hands on you.
Can I speak now? Right. Section 160 of the road traffic act 1988. Right, you're driving a motor vehicle on a road.
So he's obliged to provide his details. But you're not manhandling him.
That's driving, yeah? That's sweet. We required you to stop. Don't need a reason. I just explained to you, section 163 of the road traffic at 1988. Stop any vehicle driving on the road. Listen, you've not let me speak again. You're not letting me speak.
I bet he's not giving you just cause for what he's saying, he's not.
You said you let me speak, and you've interrupted me. Section 160 of the road traffic at 1988. I've stopped any vehicle on the road to carry out a routine caution check, which I've done. You've stopped, you're required to stay with me in order to carry out that routine caution check. You walked away from me, you threw the car keys. Okay, but listen, you threw the car keys away from me, and you started trying to walk away from me. So my suspicion raised at the time, I don't know if you're the owner of the car.
Suspicion raised by a 70-year-old pensioner a while ago with your patter.
I've never met you before.
Yes, I've got videos of him on my Facebook. I know.
All I'm trying to do is...
Pure manhandled their dad, did they? I can. No, he has to give them our details. They'll get you. Right, kids, come on. They're definitely not. He's in here. Brutal. He's using the idea, eh?
This is a walk.
It's okay, girls. Come on, in you go. In you go. Don't worry, it's just a normal. Guy, come on. He kens his rules better than you. Come on, chef.
The more that you do this, the longer we're going to be here.
Well, take your time, but at the end of the path.
Can you
You can check up with your PNC. He's gave you his
He's registered to Gordon Beveridge Fraser.
him.
Is that you?
Yeah. And the second driver on the policy, that's me, Ian Fraser. But you've dealt with me personally, so you already knew that. It's harassment, officer. It's harassment. But you're harassing the old man this time, so we'll talk it further.
You're not letting
No, you wouldn't be going. You would be going by now if you didn't assault the 70-year-old in his garden. It's alright. I've got it on camera. I've got it and heart problems. You've got to keep calm.
I didn't throw the car keys, I threw them out the window to get hammered.
And it's his property. He can do what he likes with his property.
Okay, Gordon. I've got your name. Okay, and I need your date of birth to confirm that you can't valid driving license.
Don't tell him your date of birth.
I found out that you
An unlawful stop, exactly.
the car is registered to a Gordon Beveridge Fraser. It's insured to a Gordon Beveridge Fraser at this address. So if that's you, I just need a date of birth, I'll check the driving license.
Law is for 45 years. And I got it. So what's the parking ticket? You come out here for a you saw me driving, you saw me driving, you're pointing, you threw me.
I've seen like the car. Yeah, I recognise as I've seen before. I think I maybe dealt with this chapter before.
Harassment. It didn't keep going. It is harassment.
It is, of course it is.
2 seconds, right?
You're going to get a letter for your inspector.
Your officers have been grabbing my dad, assaulted him. They've been asked repeatedly to leave the property if they've refused.